Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 9i. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tab button in the right corner, and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, get started, next, agree, and finish. Now go back, but firstly enable OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. Now we can go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 1 and a low of -9.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.